Oh, there we go. Bro forgot he was a 2016. It's working.
Hey Tristan, don't buy that Subaru. Hey Tristan, don't buy that Subaru. Tristan, that Subaru's a bad idea. No man, it'll be great. Subarus are reliable and they're easy to work on. God damn it. Get me out of this engine bay.
Press the brake. Press the brake. Press the brake.
All right, let's see that before and after. Got it dusted in.
Oh, I missed it!
Oh, there's the problem.
With a one big problem. Just lift the whole ball.
What? Oh, there it is.
Gotta go to dipstick rating.
Guys, I have never seen this before. 04 Pacifica comes in for an oil change. Here's a drain plug here, and I'm like, what the heck is this doohickey? Is it like a quick oil drain? One of those aftermarket things? Absolutely not, guys. This is simply a piece of rubber. No oil drain plug at all. And I swear to God, it pulled in like this. It was holding the oil. It's just a little squeezy rubbery piece. Just popped right in there. What the heck? Run it.
34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43 and a quarter ounces on this one. Doug, look at.
You ready?
Ready to go.
So glad I caught that on camera.
My car is right there. If I walk that way, I'm going down, 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 away from the car. If I walk this way, I'm going up, 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 up. How do I get right here?
Customer states no heat. Found mice and dog food in the fan.
Still good. Man, I don't know what kind of hack does like this. Anyway. Yeah.
Jeep Cherokee, no start. Radio frequency module. Super. Oh yeah, there you go. And where did it come from? That is funny.
So we broke the dipstick off, so we thought the easiest way to check the oil was to pull the engine out, create a little inspection hole, and look how good she is. The oil in there looks alright. We should be able to still use that for a couple more kilometers. The new Bluetooth conrods look pretty good. She's good to go, mate. Alright, we'll slap her back in.
I'm gonna get it off.
All old and metal. God, you old.
Yeah.